This week, the AI signal dives into how AI is transforming military strategies and local governance. We're exploring the explosive growth in Pittsburgh's AI security sector and the groundbreaking curriculum that's bringing together educational giants. Buckle up. While the headlines focus on the DIA's AI chief talking about agent-to-agents for military ops, the real story is how this could fundamentally shift decision-making from humans to machines. If these agents start autonomously making critical calls in combat situations, we're edging closer to a battlefield where human oversight might become obsolete, a terrifying prospect with massive ethical implications. While the expansion of this AI security firm in Pittsburgh is impressive, there's a subtle second-order consequence that might not be immediately apparent. As they rapidly scale up their operations and workforce, they're likely to intensify the existing competition for tech talent in the region. This could drive wages higher, potentially pricing out smaller firms and startups who are crucial for innovation and diversity in AI security. While the headlines focus on the approval itself, what's really significant here is the implicit acknowledgement that AI policy must be culturally sensitive. The Navajo Nation's approach signals a broader need for technology governance that respects indigenous rights and knowledge systems, setting a precedent for tech ethics beyond just compliance. While the math community celebrates Terence Tao's insights into AI, we're overlooking a critical second-order effect. As mathematicians integrate machine learning tools, there's a risk of devaluing traditional proof techniques and rigorous manual verification. This shift could undermine foundational mathematical rigor and potentially lead to unforeseen errors in complex systems that rely on these proofs. While the headlines highlight this partnership as a boost for tech education, what's often overlooked is its potential to narrow the AI skills gap. By integrating cutting-edge research from MIT into community college curricula, we're not just educating more students, we're democratizing access to high-demand expertise that can drive innovation and economic growth at a local level.